Welcome to a journey beyond the limits of our conventional understanding, heading to the vastness of the universe, where light, time, and matter paint a fascinating cosmic ballet. Did you know that our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one among an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the universe?
The speed of light is approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, making light from the moon reach Earth in just over a second.
Space is not a complete vacuum. There are about 5 atoms per cubic meter, minute as it may seem.
Exploring the vastness of space is what led to the invention of things like cell phones, water purifiers, and even memory foam. The largest volcano in our solar system is not on Earth, but on Mars. Known as Olympus Mons, this volcano is 13.6 miles high, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The highest known temperature in the universe is 5.5 billion degrees Celsius, seen in the collision of 2 neutron stars.
Black holes have such a strong gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape it. Astronomers estimate there are about 100,000 million stars in the Milky Way alone.
The zero-gravity environment could make astronauts grow up to 2 inches taller during their stay in space.
Most of the universe's matter, 68%, is dark energy, a thus far theoretical energy thought to be speeding up the expansion of the universe.
If 2 pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together, a phenomenon known as cold welding.
In the vacuum of space, humans would not decompose like they would on Earth, theoretically allowing the preservation of body form forever, barring any outside influences. Beyond Neptune, there lies the Kuiper Belt, home to Pluto and millions of icy objects left over from the early solar system. The center of a comet, called the nucleus, can be as big as a few kilometers across and is composed of rock, dust, and ice.
With an average distance of about 93 million miles from the Sun, Earth fits into the ideal zone for life known as the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right.
The Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest major galaxy to ours, is on a collision course with the Milky Way. But don't worry, it's estimated to happen in about 4 billion years.
The Hubble Space Telescope has observed the most distant galaxies ever seen, whose light has taken over 13 billion years to reach us.
A teaspoonful of neutron star would weigh about 10 million tons. These stars are so dense that a sugar cube worth of neutron star material would weigh about the same as a mountain. The Sun, our very own star, accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system.
Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside of it.
A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. That's because Venus rotates on its axis slower than it orbits the Sun.
Astronomers believe that space is completely silent because sound needs a medium through which to travel. In the vacuum of space, there is no medium.
Exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system, were first discovered in 1992. As of 2022, there are over 4,000 confirmed exoplanets. The most massive object in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a galactic filament that spans about 10 billion light-years.
Saturn is the only planet in our solar system whose average density is less than water. The giant planet would float if placed in enough water.
Every year, the Moon is moving approximately 3.8 centimeters away from our Earth. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in Sagittarius B, a vast molecular cloud of gas and dust floating near the center of the Milky Way, containing 10 billion liters of alcohol. Our solar system travels at an average speed of 515,000 miles per hour. Even at this blistering speed, The solar system would take about 230 million years to travel around the Milky Way.
The International Space Station is the largest manned object ever sent into space. 1 million pounds of science and life support equipment traveling at 17,500 miles per hour. Join us next time as we dive into more intriguing corners of the cosmos. Remember, always look up. You never know what you might find.